In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. This OPPO device doesn't offer infinite sleep time, so today I will show you my favorite app to make it happen anyway. Firstly, go into Play Store and download an app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it and hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Then hit Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. And finally, my favorite part, it's time to set it up. To do that, go into Tab menu. Now edit your shortcuts thanks to those three dots at the top right corner. And Edit Tiles option. Finally, under More Tiles, you will find Caffeine 1. Add it to your current shortcuts by holding it and dragging it to perfect place. Let go, go back, and click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that infinite sleep time is now enabled. To disable it, tap on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!